Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 2600 plus designs, element, JPG, PNG and vector files. Total size is 1.11 GB, but don't worry, I will compress for you in some MBs like 800 plus MB, and total file is 2626 in 46 folders. Okay, here is JPG for preview. Okay, and here is a main PNG is 43 folder, hand draw element. You can change just color because these are JPG files, sorry, PNG files, not vectors, but vectors are available in this pack. Two bubble, these are white, you see. Wow, thank you. Oh my god. And here is a ring, so you can find it. Feathers, wow, likely Hogwarts. Mostly used in Harry Potter. Okay, here is arrows. Arrows are 22, you can use anywhere. These files are high definition, free. Okay, and next is heart, line border, ribbon and font. Why? Wow, here as here is S. Wow, okay. Avatars, here is avatars. Total files are 60s. Amazing. Like it travels home, okay, and summer and activities. You can use a child book or anywhere. Wow, laptop. Oh, here is color, pages, voucher, taxi driver, but these are JPS or PNG files, not editable. Business icons here are all are in white color. I think notification color. Okay, notification. Okay. Cafe menu and fishing. Last is fishing. And next is vector files. These are editable files for Adobe Illustrator user. All in one. Here is hand draw, and here is bubble. Here is sketches, feathers, and arrows. Wow, amazing. Here is animals, cat and dog, frames, science and select board, background and avatars. And finally the vouchers are here with the editable files for Adobe Illustrator, and same files are here. Fishing, text divider, and here is pitch. drag to Photoshop. These files are Adobe Illustrator. Here is just preview. All these files are in color. Okay, and so wow, you can change color as a click selection tool, but mostly these files are Adobe Illustrator. More results open in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.